Yemwe abahano. Yemwe abahano. Abahano. Ninje nsabi ni ndagize. Sini wewe. Ewe data we. Ahubwo neza neza. Si vere. Ujura bima mbigera umweru cambige.
Hari akandi kantu nabonye abasirimu binabakunda.
Ndibaza wenda niba wahishije.
Ndashaka ndayobekwa.
We. Ahantu uri gukingura hazi. Ndavuze ngo subirayo.
Jambosi.
Subiri uvuye.
Subireyo Jambosi.
Ninde wakuyoboye yizera?
Nyine ukubona imibereho ziriya urazizi nawe bibaga biri kwanga abantu bari gusunikiriza. Nyine ugereranyije ugahita unshyiriramo n'ibintu by'amahirwe ukanagendera kuko cagiye nanje navuze nti ntaco ni bote gusa ibindi bibazo bikemuke.
Urashaka kunkora mu bwonko. Ibyo nkore ntabyo uzi. Viranga.
Ariko kuhava hava.
Sawa hano rero.
Ariko nawe ukanyumva.
Ndashaka kumenya niki kikuzanye hano.
Ndi kugira ngo mu mubabarire rwose kaba ko gukoropa.
Aso uturutse mu cyaro uzahanga.
Bahita byanze imirimo zabo.
Ninde wakuyoboye ahangaha?
Jambosi wambabarira koko. Mbabarira umpakazi. Sibyo Jambosi.
Umva ntago ndi Imana haguruka.
Wambakazi koko.
Ndavuze ngo wimfukamira. Dokogesa.
What happened? Hi, how are you?
No, don't say hi to this stupid.
Why?
Oh yeah.
What happened? Just tell me what's going on.
You know, the guy is here just from nowhere. He's requesting for job. We don't need somebody like this.
Why? Like, we need some job.
Do you see how shabby he looks like?
But like he looks nice. Like he's gentle. He looks gentle. He's wear tie and like, see, he's wear hat. Like, what?
Sweetheart,
what's the matter?
You know, according to circumstances we are passing through here, life is hard. We don't need the dirty guy like this.
Why?
Go out from.
Don't
shout.
Oh my
God.
Don't shout.
Ntabwo so ni wisemo kunuka mu congereza ngaho niyo gapfishire mu congereza twumva.
Ikintu kigira ubwenge buzima. Urarwaye mu mutwe.
Data mabuja akazi imirimo zo gukora.
Don't talk to him. He's talking nonsense.
Imirimo iyo job yakubwiye job.
Job, right?
Yeah, job.
Yes, we need job. So like, why? Please.
Let me just hope you didn't fall in love with him. Okay, if not, you go back where you were sitting.
What do you mean? Just, we need job, please. He looks nice.
Let me hope you obey me. I'm your husband, right?
So that, please, we need someone who can
If
help
I
us.
order, this is my home. If I just tell you that to go back, you go back. Why didn't you tell me that you need someone like this?
But like, he looks nice, that's why. We need somebody.
Sorry, ntago ngushaka hano. Ntunteranye n'umugore wanjye. Ntutume vuga nabi.
Jambosi. Wenda intera zarahindutse nawe ubu mupatoro. Ariko nanje wibuke. Sitwabanye.
Do you hear me? How I'm quarreling with the guy?
I understand, but
there's some misunderstandings with me with him. We know each other.
Because I don't know what is going on. What's going on? I don't know.
Vira hano. Sishaka usiga unsenyera urugo rwanjye. Cyangwa gukurikira.
Ni imirimo gusa. Wagira impuhwe Jambosi. Azi kuba waraje ukagira ibyo ugera ukiteza imbere wareka nanje umwana we wanyu ko twabanye Jambosi.
Ntago nabanye n'imbwa nkawe. Ntago twabanye. Ibyo wankorera urabizi.
Ariko narakubabariye. Jambosi naka kanya ndakubabariye noneho.
Ariko wumva ikinyarwanda mvira ngaha. Ibyo navuze wabyumvishe? Nakubwiye ngo sinshaka ukomeza unteranya n'umugore wanjye. Bari kwibaza ibyo ndimvugana n'umuntu w'inkende nkawe.
Yemada wamubwira. Nyine mubwire ambabarire agira impuhwe.
Am I clear?
Agira impuhwe.
I told you to go back.
No.
Don't you obey my order?
Okay.
This
Okay,
is my home place.
Okay. It's your business. It's your home, it's your business, so do what you want. Okay.
Thank you.
Business.
Yego vuze ko nta business hano vairanga. Ntacu ushizwa nga agenda se.
Jambo si.
Soka.
Uretse Imana yo mwijuru yo ibonye ibintu nkoreye. Ariko urampe mukiye. Akazi wenda nakurupa, nakubura, nagira ibi jaride nazitunganye.
Utamesa bite byawe. Bunabana n'umuntu nka utamesa.
Ndamesa kata. Mu cyumweru cyashize ziri imyenda narazimeshe.
Ubu ntandi ufite. Ukabunuka nkuvuye.
Cinje umwana.
Muri rigori wakibwaho. Toka apa.
Aha.
Ongera ufunga aho ngaho.
Umana ibipangu byawe ariko jambo nk'ubutaje ufite imodoka. Ukaja kubona ukabona uraje ndakiduruje. Ugahita winjira. Ntagarakaza. Jambo se. Nacu.
Nakubwiye ko ntagukeneye iwanyu. Nuwagutumiye uzamubwire ko wambuze. Uzagumane n'umugore wawe. Ibyo wankoreye ndabizi.
Jambo se.
Imbwa urankuramo inkweto ngana nawe.
Aha.
Wari uzi ko ndesha nkawe?
Oya.
Genda rero. Nakagiye ibintu binkora mu mutwe kabisa. Nakira cyo kiva he. Kariya nako. Go please forgive him, give him a job. No. Ariko baraziranye si gusa. Kana?
Ariko hari menya nanje ubuzima bwanje bwarangiritse. Uzi umuntu wese nsabye kungirira impuhwe ntaza bagafite. Ntazo mbaga nemerewe kugirirwa. Ndi igicu. Wambwira ngo ibibaye nibikira. Jambo siko mufatanye n'umugore wanje ndamubabariye. Maze kumubabarira musabye akazi arakanyimye. Kandi ari nje nakamuha. Nkamubwira nti ndakaguhaye jambo siko.
Hi. You're still here.
Mukomere cyane. Mukomere cyane.
Komera cyane.
Nyine
How can I help you?
Njewe ngize nkagira nkajandagira mwangirira.
You still want job?
Job. Job.
You still want
job
job?
nukuri mugizi muwe job nkajaje ndakubura job. Nkajanda ibintu byose nkabikontorora job.
Don't cry.
Job. Job.
You want job, right?
Job.
Job.
Gukubura job. Kumesa job. Job guhanagura intebe job. Job byo kwiyeranja tu.
Job. Okay.
Job.
I think I can. Oh, how can I help you? But my husband get angry to me. But like, let me think about how I can do it. But like, I will welcome you to come in our house. You can have job for us. Job
rwose narakubiswe amafaranga mbese nta hantu ntashakiye.
You don't have money? No money.
Amafaranga.
Amafaranga, money.
Gorata wowe urenabizi. Noneho agoma man kiba wenda ari wewe ukareba ukuntu ibintu bibaga bimeze. Yawe.
But like,
bura rero nje n'ikindi kibazo ngiraga mu buzima ko nabuze amafaranga ndi n'imfubyi kubera papa arambwiraga ngo nje gushaka iyomba na mama nawe yarambwiye ngo nje gushaka iyomba n'umugore wanje duhoraga turi muri jugujugu ndi Nyakamu.
Sorry, I can't understand Kinyarwanda, so please let me.
Ibibazo byanje byose ngiye kubivuga. Nagwaye imyaka 2. Ngwara nugundi go gwiyongeye wari ko gwaje nyuma y'izo ngizi 2. Kumva rero job,
right?
You
want job, right?
Job,
okay, so my husband will get angry, but please come in. It's okay. Come. Come home, house. I think I can help you.
Rata kuvari nawe unjanye nje nono Jean Claude nono nje Jean Claude.
No, come in.
Gorata uzamena amafaranga kubuntu.